Guys, welcome to my vlog. Happy weekend everyone. Very hot the sun. It's burning my skin. Oh, kasi I need to cross the road in the other side because I need to ride the bus from here going to Rim Island, 65 bus, but there is no bus stop there. I need to go back to the stoplight to cross the road and wait for the bus going to Rim Island. Our fellowship today is in Rim Island, the house of our leader in ushering ministry. Hey, very hot. I need to go to the stoplight to cross the road. It's far from the training center. Too hot. There, the bus stop is there. It's far from the. There is no underpass here. Very hot. Here, 65 past 65.